Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers, parents, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. In this beautiful occasion, blessed by Prophet birthday, let me say few words about Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah bless us for it. Dear brothers and sisters, please listen carefully. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam prays and often. His father passed away before he was born, and his mother passed away. He was 6 years old. It was his family members who brought him up. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not get parents full love and care, yet he grew up an example to all. What I would like to say is that we should make our life example for others. May Allah guide us to do good. Having said this, I wind up my little speech. Assalamu alaikum.
വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. അടുത്തതായി വേദിയിൽ